Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. Now this Premier is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to the new 9-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the Premier Traverse, we have the power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, as well as power trunk down there. We got our automatic headlights and fog light feature, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with forward collision warning and cruise control. We do have the push-button start and stop. For the engine, we got the large, brand new 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, as well as a Wi-Fi hotspot in there. And we do have our climate controls, front and rear here for your rear passengers. Dual zone climate control, obviously. We have heated and ventilated seats up front for the driver and passenger. We do have the wireless charging pad, USB ports, auxiliary port there, automatic shifter knob. We got our 4x4 dial with 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. We got our rough terrain there as well as trailer mode as well. So we got our lane keep assist and traction control. Very capable all-wheel drive SUV. We do have the all-black leather interior. Bose audio equipment throughout. Black leather heated and ventilated seating with the Chevy gold stitching. Take a look at the exterior of the beautiful Traverse. Now this isn't only just a Premier, but a Premier red line. So you do get the upgraded 20-inch wheel and tire package here. We got the black rims, black lug nuts, and the signature red hash there. Color matched door handles with keyless entry. We do have the Traverse decal on the side here, the black and red for the red line. Again, black and red wheels up front. We got the black chrome grille with the black Chevrolet bow tie. Fog lights up front, LED daytime running lamps, rear tinted privacy windows. Coming to the rear, the red line does come with the clear LED tail lamps. Again, black Chevy bow tie. You have your all-wheel drive badging, which is all blacked out. And then your Traverse again with the black and red, and your dual chrome exhaust tips coming out of that rear bumper. Jumping in, interior again here, we do have our second row captain's chairs. Both these well. We do have our rear climate controls, USB ports, and outlet heated seat controls. Dual sunroofs, one up front and one in the back for your rear passengers. LED lighting, AC vents in the roof. We have our quick fold down seats there as well. Access to our have a 60-40 split back there. 3 more seats, making this a comfortable 7-passenger SUV. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. If this is your next 7-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.